We have learned the word for old woman, old man, he and they. Tell your partner the word for old woman. Yes, Kamba means old woman. Tell your partner the word for old man. Yes, woman means old man. Tell your partner the word for he. Yes, Nulu means he. Tell your partner the word for they. Yes, Tana means they. Tell your partner the word for old woman. Tell your partner the word for old man. Tell your partner the word for he. Tell your partner the word for they. Wandera, I am Daisy. This is Nas. And this is Cowley. Today we are going to start teaching you a song. Ngayu Bina Jesus. I like Jesus.
Ngayu Bina Jesus. Ngayu Bina Jesus. Ngayu Bina Jesus.
Bina means like, Taon means friend. Tell your partner the words for my. Yes, Ngatu means my. Tell your partner the words for my. I like Jesus.
Track the word as I speak.
Ngayu Bina Jesus. Bina is like, say be, say na, say bina, say bina, say bina, say bina. Ngayu Bina is I like. Say Ngayu Bina, say Ngayu Bina, say Ngayu Bina. Say to your partner, I like.
Ngayu Bina Jesus. Ngayu Bina Jesus. Ngayu Bina Jesus.
Sing with me.
Ngayu Bina Jesus. Ngayu Bina Jesus. Ngayu Bina Jesus.
Now you sing.
He is my friend.
Track the word as I speak.
Nulu ngatu Taon. Taon is friend. Say ta, say one, say Taon, say Taon, say Taon, say Taon. Nulu ngatu Taon. He is my friend. Say Nulu ngatu Taon. Nulu ngatu Taon. Nulu ngatu Taon. Say to your partner that he is your friend.
Sing with me.
I've been a Jesus. I've been a Jesus. I've been a Jesus. Oh, not to the old.
Now you sing.
Let's read the words we need to remember. Ayub Bina means I like. Tawon means friend. This is the end of the lesson. So it's time to say goodbye. Namagar.